In this video, I will be showing you the tips to fix on Apple Intelligence is not available when iPhone is set to English under the Apple Intelligence settings. To fix this issue, under the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll to General option. Again, scroll to Language and Region option. Under the Region section, select the United States. Once you set it, tap on Change to English US on the confirmation pop-up. Your iPhone will reboot once. Wait on the settings region screen. As you can see on my screen now, your iPhone is set to English as a preferred language as well, and the region is United States. That's it. Go back to Apple Intelligence under the settings. Now select the language for the English United States if it's not selected, and you will get fixed. You can check on my screen. I hope you fix the problem itself. I can turn on Apple Intelligence, and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to get free tech guide video updates.